When it comes to bone health, the conversation almost always starts and ends with calcium. It's the mineral we're told to load up on from childhood, the hero behind strong teeth and fracture-resistant bones. Yet what if this common wisdom is missing a vital piece of the puzzle? Imagine spending years carefully constructing a house, investing in the finest materials, only to realize you've forgotten the very nails that hold everything in place. That's exactly the role magnesium plays in your body. An unsung hero working quietly in the background, making sure every piece fits, every joint holds, and every structure remains strong. For decades, health experts have stressed calcium as the ultimate bone builder. But what many people and even some doctors overlook is that magnesium is just as essential, perhaps even more so for healthy bones, a resilient heart, and a body that truly thrives with age. According to Dr. Carolyn Dean, a leading authority on magnesium, calcium simply can't do its job without magnesium's helping hand. Magnesium is the gatekeeper, she explains. Without it, calcium is like a brick without mortar. It can end up in the wrong places, causing problems instead of solving them. Here's why this matters. Magnesium is needed to activate vitamin D, a nutrient critical for absorbing calcium from your food. It's also essential for regulating the hormones that determine whether calcium gets deposited in your bones or is leached out into your blood. And while we're quick to focus on the calcium in our diets or supplements, few realize that up to 65% of the magnesium in your body is actually stored inside your bones, where it works silently to maintain their structure and flexibility. Unfortunately, most adults, especially those over 50, aren't getting nearly enough magnesium. Modern diets, heavy in processed foods, white bread, and sugar are notoriously low in this mineral. Aging, common medications like diuretics or antacids, and even chronic stress can drain your magnesium reserves further. The consequences can be subtle at first, a little more stiffness in your joints, frequent muscle cramps, restless sleep, or unexplained fatigue. But, over time, a lack of magnesium can accelerate bone loss, fuel inflammation, and even affect your heart and mood. What's most concerning is that magnesium deficiency is easy to overlook. Standard blood tests miss the problem, since less than 1% of the body's magnesium is found in the bloodstream. That means you could be following all the advice on calcium and vitamin D, taking your supplements, drinking your milk, yet still falling short when it comes to truly supporting your bones. Dr. Dean and other researchers warn that this hidden epidemic of magnesium deficiency could be one reason so many people struggle with osteoporosis, muscle pain, poor sleep, and chronic fatigue, despite doing everything right. But the good news is, this is a problem with a simple, natural solution. By choosing magnesium-rich foods and making small adjustments to your daily habits, you can quickly and gently restore the missing link in your bone health and feel the difference in your energy, mobility, and resilience. In the following sections, you'll discover why magnesium is the secret weapon your bones have been waiting for, how to spot the subtle signs of deficiency, and the best food-based strategies to rebuild your strength from the inside out. Because when it comes to lifelong bone health, magnesium matters more than you think, and it's never too late to make it part of your daily life. Why magnesium matters more than you think. Imagine trying to build a house without nails. You can have all the wood, bricks, and materials, but without something to hold it all together, the structure simply won't stand. That's exactly how your bones work without magnesium. We often hear that calcium is the key mineral for strong bones. And that's true, but only part of the story. Magnesium is what makes calcium usable. Without enough magnesium, calcium can't be properly absorbed into the bones. Instead, it may settle in soft tissues like arteries or joints, where it can actually do more harm than good. Here's what Dr. Carolyn Dean and decades of research tell us. Magnesium activates vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption. Without it, your body can't fully process even the best sources of calcium. It helps regulate parathyroid hormone PTH and calcitonin 2 hormones that control whether calcium is added to or taken away from your bones. And here's the kicker: around 60 to 65% of your body's magnesium is stored in your bones. If your blood magnesium levels drop, your body will pull it from your bones, weakening them in the process. Multiple studies have found that people with low magnesium intake are significantly more likely to suffer from osteoporosis. In one long-term study, postmenopausal women who consumed the highest levels of magnesium had up to 27% higher bone density than those who consumed the least. But here's what makes this even more important as we age. Magnesium becomes harder to absorb and easier to lose. Common medications like diuretics, antacids, and even some antibiotics drain magnesium from the body. And modern diets, which are often low in whole grains, seeds, and green vegetables, only make things worse. Magnesium isn't just helpful for your bones, it's essential. And if you're over 50, chances are you're not getting enough. The warning signs: you're low on magnesium. You might not feel your bones weakening day by day, but your body may already be sending you quiet signals that your magnesium levels are too low. The first signs often show up as small annoyances. You brush them off, blaming age or stress. But over time, they can grow into serious health issues. Let's look at the most common symptoms of magnesium deficiency: muscle cramps, spasms, or twitching, especially in the legs or feet. Fatigue and weakness, even after a good night's sleep. Irritability, anxiety, or depression, because magnesium helps regulate your nervous system. Trouble falling or staying asleep, as magnesium plays a role in melatonin production. Heart palpitations or arrhythmias, since magnesium helps keep your heart rhythm steady. And of course, bone loss, as magnesium leaves your bones to support other body functions. One reason magnesium deficiency is so widespread is that it often goes unnoticed on blood tests. Only about 1% of your body's magnesium is in your bloodstream. So even if your levels look normal, your bones could still be running on empty. Certain groups are especially at risk. If you are over 50 years old, postmenopausal, taking diuretics or proton pump inhibitors, living with type 2 diabetes or digestive issues like Crohn's or IBS, then your need for magnesium is even greater. Dr. Carolyn Dean emphasizes that many people struggling with poor sleep, weak bones, or persistent fatigue are unknowingly battling magnesium deficiency. And the good news is, it's fixable, often through diet alone. But before we talk about supplements, let's explore the most magnesium-rich foods recommended by Dr. Dean, so you can begin rebuilding your bones naturally, from the inside out. The best magnesium-rich foods. After 50. Now that you know how essential magnesium is, let's talk about the most powerful way to get it through real, whole foods. According to Dr. Carolyn Dean, food-based magnesium is easier for your body to absorb and less likely to cause digestive issues than many supplements. Plus, These foods often come with other vital nutrients like fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats that support your overall health and longevity. Here are some of the top magnesium-rich foods she recommends, especially for adults over 50. Seeds and nuts. Pumpkin seeds. Just 1 ounce delivers about 150 milligrams of magnesium, nearly 40% of your daily need. Sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are also excellent sources. Almonds and cashews. Rich not just in magnesium but also in heart-healthy fats. These make great snacks or can be sprinkled on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Leafy greens. Spinach, Swiss chard, and kale are magnesium powerhouses. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach contains around 150 milligrams of magnesium. Dr. Dean calls these bone builders in a bowl because they also provide calcium, vitamin K, and trace minerals. Whole grains and legumes. Quinoa, brown rice, and oats contain steady doses of magnesium. Black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are especially beneficial for bone and heart health. Try swapping out white rice or pasta for quinoa a few times a week to boost your intake. Special mentions: tahini ground sesame paste. Delicious in dressings and sauces, packed with magnesium and calcium. Blackstrap molasses. Just 1 tablespoon offers over 40 milligrams of magnesium. Use it as a natural sweetener with benefits. Avocados, one of the few fruits rich in magnesium plus healthy fats and potassium. These aren't exotic or hard to find. They're everyday ingredients you can easily work into your meals. But Dr. Dean offers a word of advice. Magnesium from food is more effective when your gut is healthy. If you have digestive issues, your ability to absorb magnesium may be reduced, making food variety and digestive health even more important. Coming up next, how do you actually put these foods together in a daily plan? What does a magnesium-rich day of eating look like? A 1-day magnesium meal plan. Knowing which foods contain magnesium is one thing, but how do you bring them all together into a simple, satisfying day of eating? Dr. Carolyn Dean recommends aiming for 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium per day, especially after age 50. That might sound like a lot, but with a few smart choices, you can hit that target naturally without relying on supplements. Here's a sample 1-day meal plan designed for energy, digestion, and bone support. Energizing and bone-boosting magnesium power bowl. 2 cup cooked quinoa 60 mg. 1 tablespoon chia seeds 40 mg. 1/4 avocado 15 mg. A handful of blueberries. A splash of almond milk fortified. Topped with 1 tablespoon blackstrap molasses 48 mg. Total 165 mg magnesium. This breakfast is fiber-rich, anti-inflammatory, and keeps blood sugar stable, key for seniors and anyone concerned about bone health. Heart-healthy and filling spinach and chickpea salad. 1 cup cooked spinach, 150 mg. 1 or 2 cup chickpeas, 40 mg. Sliced cucumber and cherry tomatoes. 2 tablespoons tahini dressing, 60 ml. Sprinkle of sunflower seeds, 35 ml. Total 285 mg magnesium. This salad is not only rich in magnesium, it also contains iron, calcium, and plant protein to keep you strong and energized. Warm and comforting. Baked salmon with quinoa and broccoli. 3 Oz wild salmon, 26 mg. 1 2-cup cooked quinoa, 60 mg. 1 cup steamed broccoli, 30 mg. Olive oil and garlic for flavor. Total 116 mg magnesium. Salmon adds vitamin D and omega-3s to the mix, helping you absorb calcium and reduce inflammation. Snack optional. Herbal tea with 1 Oz almonds, 80 mg is great to wind down with, while giving your bones one last mineral boost for the day. Altogether, this meal plan provides over 600 milligrams of magnesium, well above the minimum recommended for most adults over 50, and ideal for those looking to reverse deficiencies. Simple, delicious, and realistic. No fad diets. No supplements unless needed. Just real food. Real results. Up next, let's look at a true story. A woman who transformed her bone health simply by restoring her magnesium levels. Meet Linda, a 63-year-old retired teacher from Arizona. Like many women her age, she took her health seriously. She exercised daily, took her calcium supplements, and never missed a checkup. But then came the shocking diagnosis: early-stage osteoporosis. Her bone density had dropped significantly in just 2 years, even though she was doing everything right. Confused and frustrated, Linda sought out second opinions. That's when she came across Dr. Carolyn Dean's work and began learning about the magnesium-calcium connection. Her doctor had never mentioned magnesium, not once. Curious, Linda got tested. While her blood magnesium looked normal, her symptoms told a different story. Muscle cramps, poor sleep, constant fatigue, and that worrying bone scan. So she took a new approach. Here's what she did. She stopped focusing only on calcium supplements. She introduced magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, quinoa, spinach, and tahini into every meal. She added a small amount of blackstrap molasses to her tea and oatmeal. And she asked her doctor about trying a low-dose magnesium glycinate supplement to gently restore her levels. Within weeks, Linda noticed her sleep was deeper, her cramps disappeared, and her energy returned. 6 months later, a follow-up bone scan revealed a 4% increase in bone density, a small but meaningful improvement. More importantly, she felt stronger, more confident, and empowered. Linda's story is not unique. Thousands of adults are walking around with invisible magnesium deficiencies that affect their bones, nerves, and overall vitality. But with a shift in awareness and a few changes in the kitchen, you can start to reverse that process. Your bones are living tissue. They respond to what you feed them. So the real question is, what are you feeding yours? Strong bones aren't just about calcium, and they never were. If you've been doing everything right but still feeling weaker, stiffer, or more fragile with age, it might be time to look beyond the basics. Dr. Carolyn Dean's message is clear. Magnesium is the missing link for countless adults struggling with bone health, poor sleep, fatigue, and more. From leafy greens to seeds, whole grains to tahini, nature has already provided everything your body needs to stay strong, flexible, and balanced. You don't need trendy powders or expensive pills. You just need knowledge, consistency, and the right foods on your plate. So here's what you can do today. Take a look at your daily meals. Are they full of real, magnesium-rich ingredients? Are you relying too heavily on calcium supplements, without the minerals needed to balance them? And most importantly, are you listening to your body? Those small warning signs it's been trying to give you. It's never too late to rebuild your bones. Every bite you take is a chance to renew your strength from the inside out. And if this video helped you understand something that most people, and even many doctors, overlook, please share it with someone you love. A sibling, a parent, or a friend who may also be feeling tired, achy, or at risk of bone loss. Together, we can bring magnesium back to the table and bring stronger bones back to life.